Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jae Young in Brawl Stars. Jae Young is a unique mythic support brawler known for his incredible versatility. He operates with two main modes, Work and Party, which you can switch using his super, Mix It Up. His primary attack is a piercing projectile that changes its effect based on your current mode, making him adaptable to many situations. Understanding these core mechanics is key to mastering his gameplay. Jae Young's work mode provides a temporary movement speed boost to all nearby teammates, perfect for initiating attacks or retreating safely. Conversely, his party mode heals allies with its piercing projectile, offering crucial sustain during intense fights. Knowing when to activate each mode is vital. Use work for mobility and offense, and party for defensive healing and prolonged team fights. This strategic flexibility defines his support role. Jae Young has two powerful gadgets. Weakened Warrior deals area damage and increases his main attack damage for 5 seconds. Time for a Slow Song slows enemies around him and leaves slowing trails for 5 seconds. His star powers also offer great utility. The Crowd Goes Mild grants a 10% speed boost per nearby teammate, while Extra High Note adds 20% damage for each target his main attack pierces. To truly excel with Jae Young, always look for opportunities to hit multiple targets with his piercing attack. Effective communication with your team is crucial for coordinating mode switches, ensuring you provide the right support at the right time. Maintain close proximity to allies to maximize the benefits of his speed boosts or healing. Finally, adapt your chosen mode and gadgets to effectively counter the opposing team's brawlers and strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.